Have you ever heard of Chatbooks? In this video, I'm going to be sharing my review of my first ever hardcover chatbook. My name is Jennifer Wilson and I am your guide here at Simple Scrapper. Let's dive right in. You may be familiar with Chatbooks as the service that will automatically create photo books from your Instagram account or other social media accounts and send them to you in a digest format. And they do that beautifully. But did you also know that they do custom photo books? So add any kind of photos that you want, like other photo book services, and then print them with these beautiful hardcovers like this designer one. You can print softcover or hardcover, and I had wanted to try Chatbooks for quite a while now because I kept hearing more and more about it. So I finally ordered one, and I will bring in some overhead shots here. I created this photo book of my 2017 Instagram account, and there's not a ton of photos, but I was really excited to just have a glimpse of my year. So part of me wanted to just test this out because I'd been thinking about doing a big 2018 chatbook, 365 pages, a page for every single day of the year, and to really make it kind of a photo a day project, but more of a curated selection of 365 images that represented my year. And so I wanted to go ahead and print this out for 2017 to see if I would like the format, how the quality was, and just generally what I thought. So first of all, I am super impressed with the speed of shipping. It came within 10 days. It came much quicker than I anticipated, and I know much quicker than my previous Artifact Uprising books did. The paper it's not slick photo paper, but it's not super matte. I'd call it kind of a satin paper. I am very, very satisfied with it. It's easy to turn the pages. It's just very easy to look at. I don't notice any kind of overall darkness to the photo. Sometimes when you print photo books, you realize your photos are a little dark. I feel like my photos look exactly as I sent them. And I think in general, I really just love having all of my captions exactly as they are, including emojis and everything. And so that kind of, you have a little tree emoji here. It just feels really good. It feels very real, and that I was able to capture what I experienced in that social media setting here in one book. I found the book very easy to make, and here's what it looks like inside the software. I was able to very quickly bring in my Instagram account and select which photos I wanted to include. There was a couple that just didn't make sense in context of the whole story, and so I was able to very quickly exclude those by just a click of a button. And I just really liked how fast it was to make this photo book. And I think in general, photo book software has come so far in the past decade that it's just so much easier than ever before to capture your memories in a really simple, streamlined way that doesn't involve the fussiness or even craftiness of scrapbook supplies. So I mentioned these designer covers, and they have such an array. Tends to be more on the feminine side, lots of florals, as well as some of these abstract prints. I really, really like them, and I'm very impressed overall with just like, it feels like a quality product. And that's what you want when you're going to spend, at least $30 on a photo book. I think I ended up spending $37 plus shipping on this. I believe shipping was $6, but I'll put that somewhere on the screen to confirm. So would I order again? Definitely, for sure. I would have no hesitation ordering from Chatbooks if I wanted to create a custom photo book with either a photo cover or a custom designer cover. Now, when it comes to how I want to document my 2018, I will admit that I'm having some reservations about doing a really, really large photo book. And it's for a couple of reasons. One, I'm trying to imagine what the cost would be. I haven't costed it out yet, but I'm imagining that 365 pages is going to be quite a hefty price tag. And if I'm not going to buy any other scrapbook supplies this year, that's easily justifiable. But if I'm going to do other scrapbooking too, I'm feeling a little unsure about whether or not I want to make that investment. Particularly since this type of book and the kind of approach that I've taken is really just capturing a slice of the things that I want to post on Instagram. So it's very curated. So there's pros and cons to that. And I think the number 2 reason is that I'm having a lot of fun with regular scrapbooking right now. I'm doing a lot of pocket page scrapbooking as I'm finishing up my December daily. It's really fun and easy for me right now. And what seems to happen a lot of years, I get really excited about a photo book, and then I remember that I'm a scrapbooker and I love scrapbooking, and I gradually drift away back into those traditional projects. So I think there's some more I need to think about. I'm definitely making progress on lots of fronts, but I'm not 100% sure that I want to print a giant chapbook for this year. But that doesn't mean that I don't highly recommend it. And if you're looking for a photo book of 20 to 365 pages, this is a good option. I don't think I mentioned it earlier. This is the 8x8 size. It's a really nice size so that the text is large enough for anyone to read. It can still easily fit in your hands. But it's not quite as cute as I would say if it was only 6x6. So that's something to think about. And part of me kind of wishes, also because this was very kind of a light-hearted book, that I had done the 6x6. All right, well, that is my review of Chatbooks for a custom hardcover book. And I look forward to hearing more in the comments from you if you've ever ordered from Chatbooks before. Do you subscribe to their digest format books? Have you printed another kind of softcover book? And I'd love to hear more about your experiences with this service. As I said, this is my first time, so I'm excited to dig in with you guys and discuss further in the comments. If you've not yet subscribed to the Simple Scrapper YouTube channel, I would absolutely love for you to do so you can be one of the first to be notified when I release a new video. Again, my name is Jennifer Wilson, and I am your guide here at Simple Scrapper. I look forward to talking about scrapbooking again with you soon.